Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Students, today we solve mock test 6 for your annual exam 2024-25 class 6 mathematics DAV Public School, Cuttack. We already completed up to mock test 5. We are practicing chapter wise questions. All the questions are most expected questions. Today we solve the chapter integer full mark 15. First of all, solve in pen and paper. After solve the questions, then check your answer and comment your score. If you want to download the PDF, then you can join my WhatsApp or Telegram group. Link in the description below. So let us start the session. First question number 1. There are dash integer from -4 to 11. Okay. Simply calculate -4 and 11. So -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So count 1, here is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So answer is 14. Clear? Next, the value of this. Okay. So absolute value of -7 is only 7 because absolute value we write the only number. Okay, except sign. Then here is -6. Then +3. So 7 plus 3, 10 minus 6, that is 4. Answer is 4. Okay, next. Square of 2 subtracted from cube of -1. Okay, first square of 2 how much? The square of 2 means 4 because 2 square means 2 into 2, that is 4. Subtracted from, first we write down the from, that is cube of -1, -1 cube. So 1 cube is 1 minus to the power odd, that is minus. Okay, so first we write down -1, then subtract sign, then 4, that is -5. Answer is -5. Understand? Next question. If we subtract -11 from -10, so first we write down -10, then for subtract sign minus, then -11. Minus plus 11, here is -10. Now different sign. Different sign means we subtract. First we put the sign, that is plus because big number sign, then subtract, that is 1. So answer is +1. All of you clear? Next, go to the next question, that is question number 5, 2 mark. Find the sum of greatest negative integer -1. Greatest negative integer, that is -1 plus smallest positive integer, that is 1, equal to 0. So answer is 0. So first of all write greatest negative integer is -1, smallest positive integer, that is 1, then sum equal to 0. 6 number. 3 cube or 3 to the power 3 minus -2 to the power 3. So tell me 3 power 3, that is 27 because 3 into 3, that is 9. Again 3, that is 27. 1 times, 2 times, 3 times. Okay, so 27 minus -2 cube. 2 cube, that is 8, minus to the power odd, that is minus. Remember, minus to the power odd, that is minus, minus to the power even, that is plus. So 27 minus 8. Now minus plus, here is 27, that is 35. Now bit number 2i. -4 3 or cube -2 cube. -4 cube means minus because odd means minus. 4 cube, that is 4 4 ja 16, 4 ja 64. Minus 8. Now minus plus, here is -64. Different sign. Different sign means big number sign, subtract. Here is 6, 5. Answer. Okay, next question. compute minus 4 cube, that is minus 4 cube into minus 10 cube into minus 1 to the power 789. Now minus 64, because minus power odd means minus 4 to the power cube means 64, into minus power odd minus 10 power 3, that is 1000, into minus power odd means minus 1. Now 1, 2, 3 minus sign, that is odd, that is minus, or minus minus plus, plus minus minus. Okay. Now minus 64,000. Answer. Next one. Find the value. Okay. So here first of all we take common as 242. The remaining we write in bracket, that is minus 95 minus 4 minus 2. So 242 bracket same sign means addition, 5 4, sorry, here is 1, 5 4 9 plus 1, that is minus 100, that is 242 00 minus. Clear? Next question. After see the solution, then comment your score. Okay. For PDF, then you can join my WhatsApp or Telegram group. I already upload all the 33 mock test question paper in Telegram. Sum of two integer is 48 if one of them is minus 24. Okay. So first write down sum of two integer, how much? 48. So one integer equal to minus 25. So tell me the other means we subtract from the sum. Okay, so first we write down the sum, then minus 25. Now minus minus plus 48, 25, 3, 6, 7. So answer is 73. So also we solve 10 number, sorry, or number. Subtract the sum. So first we solve the sum. So tell me what is the sum of 38 and minus 49. So 38 plus minus 49. Different sign, big number sign, minus 11. Now subtract minus 11 from 100. So first we write down the 100, then subtract minus, then minus 11. 100 plus 11, that is 111. All of you clear? So completed. If you like the video, then you can subscribe my channel for more video. I already completed up to mock test 5. So if you not see the session, then you can go to the playlist, link in the description box.